In today's healthcare environment, patient safety is of utmost importance. Unforeseen emergencies can happen at almost any time. As an emergency response tool, Clean Up can protect the safety of patients and medical staff. When a patient becomes ill, caregivers and nursing staff become vulnerable to such emergencies. Clean Up quickly resolves incidents, large and small, prior to housekeeping's arrival, thereby reducing liability and making embarrassing situations for patients and staff much better. With very little effort, Clean Up can help mitigate risk of slips and falls in patient rooms, operating rooms, medical facilities, and cafeterias. Unlike other kits, Clean Up was designed by nurses and risk management professionals to take care of real-life incidences, which are not just a few ounces of bodily fluids. Clean Up, the quick solution to spills.